Hello, good evening all.
Good evening.
Okay, good evening everyone. Can you all hear me well?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Right, can you hear me well?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, shall we start this paper? I think you have written the answers to this paper, and I shared this paper today morning as well. Right, see your answer. Let's see, this is 2019 mid-year test paper of Southern Province, right? And let's start. Number one, you read the answers. Okay. Can anyone read the first question? You can read the questions as well as the answers.
Of the
Krishna,
following
can you start?
plants is non-flowering plant Salvinia.
Okay, it's Salvina. Right, so that's the correct answer. Number two, second question. Can anyone read? You can read the questions, Lamai. Please read the question number two. Right, what's the second one? The group of plants in which root system is adapted for vegetative propagation is. Okay, now tell me the answer.
Breadfruit, lime apple, curry leaves.
Okay, are they propagated through their leaves? Others, do you agree with this answer? Is this correct? Tell me if the answer is wrong or if you have a different answer. Okay, I think the answer is correct. Okay, which part of the flower becomes the fruit after pollination? Yes?
Ovary.
Yes, correct. Ovary becomes the fruit after pollination, correct. Select the answer which contains only monocotyledonous plants.
Coconut, maize, paddy.
Coconut, maize, paddy, correct. The positive terminal of a simple voltaic cell is
Copper plate. Copper plate.
the positive, yes, simple voltaic cell, that's a copper plate. Correct. Right. Number three, the substance that dissolves well in water is
Baking soda, vinegar, condensed.
baking soda, vinegar, condensed. Okay, good. This is not a plant with a weak stem.
Guava.
Weak stem, not a plant with weak stem. Yes, that is guava. Guava is a strong one, right? Okay, the animal which does not use water as its respiratory medium.
Diabaria.
Yes, right. The answer is the barrier, right? It's a reptile. So what does it use for the respiration? Yes, what's used by the,
Air.
yeah. No, how do they respire? The snakes and other
Tongue.
reptilians? Have they?
Tongue.
Yeah, they have lungs, correct. So the answer is the barrier. The color of the pH papers present in the laboratory?
Yellow color.
Yellow color, good, right? They are yellow in color. What property of water is the reason for using water to control heat in the vehicle engine excessively?
Coolant property. Coolant property.
Coolant property, good. Number 11, the energy transformation taken place when the winding clock operates is?
Potential energy to kinetic energy.
Winding clock, yes, potential energy to kinetic energy. Okay. A balloon was fixed into the mouth of the bottle, and the bottle was immersed in hot water. The main reason for inflating the balloon is
Expanding air.
expanding air.
Yeah.
Right, good. Select the correct diagram which shows an object placed in front of the plane mirror and its image.
Second one. Second one.
Second one. Okay, good. This is the answer. The instrument which produces its sound by vibrating a string is.
Sita.
What's it?
Sita.
Sitar. Okay. The string instrument, yes, that's sitar. 1 second. 15th question. The most suitable mirror for the dentist to observe teeth.
Concave mirror.
Yeah, what is it?
Concave mirror.
Concave mirror. Yes, that's correct. No, there's a spelling mistake, but the answer is this one. The energy processed by a nut in a tree is
Potential energy.
potential energy. Okay. What do you mean by potential energy? What do you mean by the potential energy? Yes. What do you mean by potential energy? The energy contained in an object because of its position or due to the change of the shape, right? They contain potential energy. When an object is at a higher place, it has potential. Can you give one example where we can experience potential energy in our daily life?
A stretch ball.
Yes, the stretch ball also contain potential energy. That's correct. Any other example?
A dam of a tank.
Yes, correct. Water found in the tank or a
Water
reservoir.
coming down from a high place.
Yes, the high place contains potential energy. Okay. Right. This diagram shows a setup used to demonstrate formation of umbra. Select the incorrect statement, right? While you are reading, these words are very important. Correct, incorrect, right? Not only. Therefore, please read this. Okay. Can you comment your answer?
Penumbra is formed when the torch is taken away from the ball.
Okay. Once again, can you tell me the answer number?
Third one, sir.
Penumbra is formed when the torch is taken away from the ball. Yeah, that is the incorrect statement. You know what happens actually when you are taking the torch away from the ball? Yes,
Umbra
but
become
umbra
Umber become
become umbra becomes clear, right? Okay, very good. Right. Which part of the compound microscope controls the amount of light reach the specimen?
Diffraction.
What is it?
Diaphragm.
Diaphragm, right? Not diaphragm, right? That's wrong. Diaphragm. It's diaphragm. Okay. Right. A lighted candle is placed in front of the plane mirror. Tell me the features of this image.
Upright, virtual, equal to the size of the object.
Very good. Upright, virtual, equal to the size of the object. Correct. The gas which avoids entering harmful radiations from the sun to the earth is
Ozone.
ozone, right? Correct. Good. Now you count how many answers are correct out of 20, and you can draw a box here and put your marks out of 40. You multiply number of correct answers by 2. Okay. So the total marks for the paper is 40. This is question number, sorry, this is the MCQ question, right? Okay. And you comment your marks to the chat. We are going to do the second part, and you count your marks first.
So you have disabled the chat.
You can comment directly. Select my name and comment. Send your answers. Send your marks. Right, Laman, let's see the part 2. So first one is compulsory. Select any 4 questions from the other 6 questions and the answer 5 questions, right? Altogether, you have to answer 5 questions. The list below shows several species of plants and animals identified by a group of students in a field trip. You are given coconut, mango, banana, benduru, rampe, mimosa, cycas, grasshopper, rat snake, butterfly, squirrel, earthworm. Name the main 2 methods that the plants in the above list can be classified.
Flowering and non-flowering plants.
Yeah, flowering and non-flowering plants. That's correct. Take 2
So
marks.
taproot and fibrous roots.
No, taproot and fibrous is not the main method, right? Main method is flowering and non-flowering. Write an example each for the plant which shows characteristics shown below from the list. Still root.
Rampe.
Rampe. Okay. Root nodules.
Mimosa.
Mimosa. Underground stem.
Banana.
Banana.
Yes, banana, right? Then take 3 marks if your answers are correct. What is the main difference between the root system of coconut and mango plants?
Coconut has fibrous root system and mango has tap root system.
Yes, coconut. Correct, your answer is correct. Coconut has fibrous root system while mango has a taproot system. Okay, good. Take 1 mark for this. Name the 2 main groups that the animals present in the list belong. How can we classify these animals?
Vertebrates, invertebrates.
Yes, vertebrates, invertebrates, right? Okay. So you can take 1 mark for this. We'll see if the total is not enough. I will increase the marks. What's the characters you use to separate them from the above groups?
Have a vertebral column or not.
Not, right? Or with or without, or presence or absence of the vertebral column. That is correct. Take 1 mark. There are instances of obtaining advantages for animals due to the blending their body color with the environmental color. What's the scientific word used for introducing this adaptation? Yeah?
Camouflage.
Camouflage. Camouflage. So you can take 1 mark for this. Write one advantage obtained by animals for it.
They
Yeah.
can hide
Hunting
from
prey.
their predators. They can find their prey easily.
They can find their prey easily. And what's the other one?
They can hide from the predators.
Yes, they can hide from the predators. Take 1 mark. Classify the plants coconut, mango, banyan, mimosa, cycas using the dichotomous scheme. Okay. Did you classify? Did you do this? Yes. If you have done this one, can you please send me your answers so I can share the screen and we can see whether you have done it correctly or not. Can anyone share your answers? Lamai? Can anyone share your answers, Lamai? If you can share your answers, I can display it. Okay, tell me the method that you divided it. So coconut, mango, banyan, mimosa, cycas. Okay, let's make a little dichotomous key here. You support me to divide them, right? Okay. So I will write their names again. The plants are coconut, mango, banyan, mimosa, cycas. Right? There are how many plants? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants. Okay, tell me the main method that you can divide them into two. How do you divide these plants into two groups?
Flowering and non-flowering.
Yes, you can consider that one first, right? Okay, that's a good point. We can divide them as flowering and unflowering. Okay. Let's see. Flowering plants. And this side it is non-flowering plants. Okay. Now, what are the flowering plants given here? What are the non-flowering plants? Sorry, flowering plants here.
Coconut, mango, banyan, mimosa.
Okay, coconut, mango. Let me type it. One second, Lamai. Right here, coconut. Coconut is a flowering plant, and mango is a flowering plant, and banyan is a flowering plant. Mimosa also a flowering plant. So these are the flowering plants. So what is a non-flowering plant found? It is cycas. Right, good. Now this side is okay. Now we can divide the flowering plants again into two groups, right? How do you divide the flowering plants? What do you consider? Yes, what's external factor? Huh? Yes, we can divide. Okay, with fibrous root system
and taproot.
Wait a minute. FIBROUS, fibrous root system. And the other side, you can say with taproot system or without a fibrous root system, right? Okay, with a fibrous root system, without fibrous. Now, which plant has a fibrous root system?
So my answer is correct now. With
Yeah.
fibrous root and
Which one has a
without-
fibrous root
no.
system? Which has a fibrous root
Coconut.
system?
Coconut.
Yes,
Coconut.
it is coconut. Is that all? Yeah, only
Mimosa.
the mimosa is wrong. Eh?
Banana. Banyan.
Banyan also wrong, right? Coconut is a fibrous root system. Other plants, what are the other plants?
Without
They
basic.
without means they have a taproot system, right? Mango, then banyan, mimosa. These plants have a fibrous root system, right? Now, please give me a second. Okay, tell me, how do you divide these plants, Samai?
With root
Mango,
nodules,
banyan,
without
mimosa.
root nodules.
Without root nodules.
Yes, with root nodules, without root nodules. You can see only mimosa has root nodules, no root nodules in mango and banyan. Okay, now we have mango and banyan. How do you divide? Tell me a special feature.
Branch. Stem.
Branch. Okay, it's a branch. No, both are branch, right? You can't take it. You can't take it branched. Any other feature? Mango and banyan. Can you remember the roots? Special root types is found in the banyan tree. What is it? Which are coming out from the branches?
Prop root.
What is it?
Aerial.
Prop
Taproot.
roots, right? Not aerial. So prop roots are found in where?
Banyan.
Banyan tree, right? And mango has no prop root, right? Okay, good. That's it. So you can complete this and take your marks. And how many marks are there in total? Let me check it. Okay, 1 second. I think for the main two groups, we can give 2 marks, right? For this one, I will give 2 marks. And for this, I think it is 4 marks. No, 5 marks, right? We'll give 5 marks for this. For the dichotomous key, you can obtain 5 marks. Okay, please check your marks. And let's move on to the question number 2. And you can comment your marks before we start the second question. Right, second question. This diagram shows how a drinking straw rubbed with a polythene membrane is placed on a drawing pin, which is kept on an inverted glass in a study of static electric charges. You may remember this activity we did. We learned this one. There's an inverted glass, then a drawing pin, a drinking straw. What can be observed when a similar drinking straw is taken close to the above drinking straw? What do you think?
It is repel.
Yes, right. I think when you're bringing a similar one, it means it's also charged, right? So if both are having same charges, definitely it would repel. Okay, that is the first one. What can be observed when the polythene membrane used for rubbing is taken closer to the above drinking straw? What can be observed when the polythene membrane used for rubbing is taken closer to the above drinking straw?
They attract each other.
Yes, attract each other, definitely. Because when you are rubbing the straw using the polythene membrane, if drinking straw has a charge, the membrane takes the opposite charge. Write the reason for the above observation in the instances A and B. Yes.
Because like charges always
Mm.
repel and unlike charges attract each other.
Yes, very good, Mithili, right? Like charges repel each other, unlike charges attract each other. Good. What's the advantage of balancing the drinking straw on the glass with the help of drawing pin?
It can move freely.
Yes, it can move freely. Okay. It can move freely. Okay, I didn't give you the marks, right? So we'll take 1 mark for each question. For the reason, 2 marks and 1 mark, right? And B1, write the type of static charges obtained by each material when the glass rod is rubbed with the silk cloth. What's the charge of the glass rod? What's the charge of the glass rod? Yes. What's the charge of the glass rod?
Negative.
Glass rod is charged positively. Silk cloth?
Negativity.
Negative. Okay. Write an event related to static electric charges that takes place in day-to-day life.
In photography
Photocopy
machines.
machine.
Photocopy machine, okay. Any other equipment that you remember? Radio, photocopy machine, you may remember those things. Write one instance of using static electric charges. Instance of using the previous one, write an event. Static charges. Right, this is an event and this is one instance, right? How can we differentiate these two? Now, if you think about lightning, you can consider it as an event, right? And emitting tick sound when ironing clothes. And these are the instances, the things that we said before, the photocopy machine, right? They are the instances where we use them, right? I think it's better we take that answer to this one, right? The photocopy machine, radio, they are the equipments, you know. What is the instrument that store static electric charges?
Capacitor.
What?
Capacitor.
Yes, right.
Capacitor.
Capacitor. So take 1 mark. Okay, wait a minute. For this one, the advantages also will give you 2 marks. Now check your marks here. Check your total marks. You can write like this. I couldn't say this one for the previous one. You can draw box, and it's 11 marks and out of 11. So this is the question number 2. Right. These diagrams show several sources of electricity. Name the source of electricity shown as ABC. What is A?
Provincial.
What's it, Pute?
Provincial.
Rice.
Dry cell. Hmm. Right, dry cell.
Dynamo.
Name the source of electricity. A, dry cell. B, sources. No.
Dynamo.
Dynamo.
Solar cell.
Solar cells. Okay.
Solar panel.
Solar panel. Okay, correct. Take 3 marks for this. Write separately the method of producing electricity by them.
Chemical energy.
Yes.
Chemical energy.
Yeah, the first one, chemical energy. Second one, how does it produce sound? You know, by chemicals. Second one,
Kinetic energy.
yeah. Second one, it's rotating a motor near a coil or rotating a coil near the motor by a movement, no? Movement. And the third one,
Light energy.
Solar energy.
yeah, solar energy, using solar energy.
So we can take light energy and heat energy.
Okay.
What is the energy in dynamo?
Dynamo, it's, it's operating by the movement of magnet near the coil or moving a coil near the magnet.
So kinetic
Okay, sir, thanks.
energy.
Yeah, the third one, you can take light energy, light energy is better. So take 3 marks for this. What's the principle? Okay, yeah. What's the principle used to produce electricity in B by B? Yeah,
Electromagnetic induction.
electromagnetic inductions. Okay, that's correct. 1 mark. Write the energy transformation taken place in the production of electricity by C.
Solar energy to electrical energy.
Okay. Solar energy to electrical energy. That's correct, right? 1 mark. Okay, now you are given 2 circuits. The X and Y diagrams show how electricity is supplied to A and B sources of electricity separately by connecting them with the motor. Right? Separately, the observation that can be seen in the wind vane connected to the motor in the instances X and Y. What is the observation of the X? Yes. Yes, Amai?
Motor rotates.
Motor rotate. Yes, that's correct. Dynamo? Dynamo? What do you think about that?
The wind vane does not spin in one direction. Instead, it vibrates or rotates back and forth.
Yes, right. Dynamo, when the dynamo is connected to motor, it the current flows in both directions, right? Therefore, dynamo vibrates without rotating in certain direction.
Motor vibrates but does not rotate.
Yes, that's correct. Okay. Motor vibrates. Yeah, we answer this one. No, take 2 marks. Write the reason for the observation. What's the reason for this observation, Lamai? Because of the
X is a direct current, but setup B is an alternative current.
yeah, right. Because here it's flowing direct current because current flows through this way. It has only one direction. We call direct current, but here, for the current goes through this way, and then current flows back to the opposite side. It has two directions. Therefore, that's why it's vibrated. So your answer is okay. 2 marks, right? Now, is that all? Yes. Let's see whether the marks are okay. No, it's 11. No, right, wait a minute. For the reason last one, we'll give only 1 mark. Then it's 11. Number 4. Okay, let's start the fourth one. Several substances present in the home are shown below. Water, vinegar, salt, baking soda, sugar, soap, wood ash, lemon, milk of magnesia. Right, selecting an acidic substance and basic substance from the above substances. What do you say, Lamai? Number 1.
Water base.
Acidic
Yeah, the basic substance is?
basic
First, you have to select acidic substance. What is the acidic substance here?
Vinegar.
Vinegar,
Lemon.
lemon. Is that all? Yes.
Yes.
What are the basic substances?
Salt.
Baking
Salt is
soda.
neutral, right? Salt is wrong. Salt is neutral.
Sugar.
Baking soda. Milk of magnesia.
Yes.
Baking
Baking soda
soda.
is
Sugar.
correct.
Soap.
Soap is
Sugar.
correct. Okay.
Ash.
Sugar wrong.
Ash.
Yes. Where is ash? Wood ash is
Soap.
correct. Soap correct. Baking soda correct. Wood ash is correct. Milk of magnesia, right? So they are basic substances, right? How about these substances? Water, salt, sugar.
Neutral. Neutral.
Yes, they are neutral substances, right? They are neutral substances. That's correct. So you have to select above substances, then take 2 marks. Name 2 natural substances obtained from the environment that can be used to separate acids and bases.
Flower boiled water. Red cabbage boiled water.
Boiled water.
Turmeric
Haricana
boiled
boiled
water.
water.
Yeah, chew flower boiled water, arecanut boiled
Haricana boiled
water,
water.
Nilkatrulu boiled water. They are correct, right? Take 2 marks. No?
Haricana boiled water.
What?
Haricana boiled water.
Yeah, correct. That's correct. What is the common name used to identify such material?
Indicators.
Indicators, right? Indicators. What is the most common substance used as the medicine for gastritis?
Milk of magnesia.
Milk of magnesia. Yeah, that is correct. Explain why this substance can control gastritis. Can anyone tell me your answer? Yes, Loy?
Milk of magnesia is a base, so it neutralizes the excess stomach acid.
Okay. Can you repeat it again? Repeat, please.
Milk of magnesia is a base, so it neutralizes the excess stomach acid.
It neutralizes Stomach acid. Okay, good. Milk of magnesia as a base. Stomach contain acids, so it neutralizes. It's a good answer, right? Then that's a reason. Take 2 marks. The solution of salt, vinegar, baking soda present in 3 test tubes named PQR. The table below shows the observations obtained from an activity done to identify them. Now PQR, you can see when blue litmus added. Okay. P with the solutions are salt, vinegar, and baking soda. We don't know exactly which one is that, but there are some clues, right? So can you remember which substance turned blue litmus into red? Yeah. Which substance turned blue litmus into red?
R.
No. What are those substances? Now, when blue litmus is added, if it turns into red, what are they? Like here, when blue litmus added, it turns into red. What? Yeah.
Vinegar.
I told you a short method that you can remember this easily.
Yes,
Remember the
sir.
short method? Yeah. What is it?
Sir, acid is dangerous, so it is represented as red. Base is represented by blue.
Okay. But I told you to remember these litmus colors. ABR. To remember this word, ABR. Acid turns blue litmus red. So if blue litmus turns red, Q is an acid. Okay, Q is an acid. And bases turns red litmus blue. So when red litmus is added, if it turns into blue color like this, so what should be the P? P is a base. And here blue to blue color,
Sir,
red to red
R
color,
is
that
the
means
neutral, right?
this is neutral. Yes, what?
R is the neutral, right?
Yes, R is a neutral substance, correct. Identify the solutions relevant for P, Q, and R letters and name them. What are the solutions P, Q, R? Yes, Lamai? Identify the solutions relevant to for the P, Q, R and name them. Yeah.
Sir, P is baking soda.
Hmm.
Q is vinegar. R
Okay.
is solution of salt.
Solution of what?
Salt.
Right, that's correct. That's correct. That's the answer. Take 3 marks. When pH papers are added, what solution will give the color relevant to the number 7?
Salt. Neutral.
Yeah.
Neutral substances.
Neutral substances. Take 1 mark. The diagram below shows a setup operated using thermal energy. Okay, that's the end of the 4th question. No? Then we'll see whether we can obtain 11 marks for this. It's 12 marks. Okay, sorry for this question. We have to give only 1 mark. Okay. For this one, explain reason 1 mark. Now it says, yeah, now you can obtain 11 for this. Okay, let's move on to the question number 5. And number 5, fifth question. The diagram below shows a setup operated by using thermal energy. What's the name used to identify this setup? How do you call it?
Steam turbine.
Steam turbine. Very good, right? So 1 mark. What is the name used to identify this setup? We answered it. And write a special observation that can be seen when the water in the tin vessel is heated.
Rotating turbine.
Yes, it's rotating turbine, correct. What are the material used to used to prepare the turbine?
Tin candle, a turbine.
What were they?
Tin candle, a turbine.
Yeah, tin candle turbine will take.
Stand.
Okay, 3 marks. Write the energy transformation taken place when this setup is operated.
Heat energy to kinetic energy.
Okay, heat energy to
Kinetic energy.
kinetic energy. That's correct. And
Sir,
yeah,
sir, for the fifth question, first one. So what's the answer?
fifth question, A first one. Name, it's a steam turbine.
Sorry, sir.
Steam turbine. Steam turbine.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Right. B part. This diagram shows. Okay, so for this one also we can give 1 mark. Okay, we can give 2 marks, I guess. This diagram shows a cross section of the avocado. Name the parts respectively presented in the earth which corresponds to ABC area. What is A?
Crust.
Yeah. A is that the crust?
Coco.
Co. B.
Mantle.
Mantle. C.
Crust.
Crust. Okay. Take 1 mark. In which area do tectonic plates exist?
Mantle.
Where?
No. Crust.
Crust, right? On which tectonic plate is Sri Lanka situated?
Australian Indian tectonic.
Yes. Indo-Australian tectonic plate, right? Okay, good. Wait a minute. I think we can add 1 more mark. Okay, for this one, we'll give you 2 marks, right? Now you count how many marks you got out of 11. Right. Sixth question. Right. Okay. Number 6. The diagram shows how a motor and a wind vane are connected to a solar panel. With what energy does the solar panel operate?
Solar energy.
Yes, solar energy. Wind vane rotates when the motor is operated. What is the energy transformation taken place in the motor?
Electric energy to kinetic energy.
Yes, electrical energy to kinetic energy. 1 mark. What's the observation that can be seen when a torch bulb is connected, removing the motor and the wind vane?
The torch bulb will be light up.
The torch bulb,
Will be light up.
okay, will be light up. Okay, 1 mark. Okay, the diagram below shows a setup prepared in an activity related to sound. You can see, you may remember this practical. To demonstrate what characteristic related to sound this setup is prepared. What is the answer?
Air needs sound needs air to propagate.
Yes.
Sound need air to propagate.
Sound needs what?
Sound needs a
Air
medium to
propagate.
propagate.
Air.
Sound needs air.
Sir,
Is that the
sound
answer?
needs a medium to travel.
Sound needs a medium to travel. That's correct. Okay.
So air is strong.
What?
Air.
I
Sound
didn't
need
get
air.
you.
Sound need air to propagate.
I didn't hear. What did you say?
Sound need air to propagate.
Sound needs air to propagate. Sound needs air to propagate. What do you say, others?
Sir.
Sound requires a medium, no? Sound needs air. Not air. It's better if you say medium, right? Medium to propagate. That's what we find here. Okay. What is the function? Okay, take 2 marks. Function done by the vacuum pump.
Pump out the air
Yeah,
inside
pump out the air inside
bell jar.
the bell jar. Correct. Pump out the air inside the bell jar. What is the observation obtained when the vacuum pump is operated while electric bell is ringing?
The sound will become faint and fainter till the sound cannot be heard.
Say it again.
The sound will become fainter and fainter until the sound does not propagate.
Yes, the sound is faded and finally you can't hear the sound. Okay, take 2 marks. At the beginning you hear the sound, but when the vacuum pump starts to operate, you can't hear the sound since it's fading. Through which medium does sound travels faster? Out the solid,
By steel.
liquid or gas?
Liquid.
Solid media.
Solid.
Yes.
So
Right.
steel also correct.
Not steel. From these 3 media, you can select it, no? These 3,
Okay.
solid. Okay, that's the end of the 6th question. Now let's see how many marks are there. 1 second. Okay, we'll take 2 marks for this. And we'll take 2 marks for this, right? 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1.
Sir, then through
Yes.
which medium does the sound travel slowest?
Sound travels what?
Slowest.
Can you repeat it, Dua?
Through which medium does sound travel slow?
Yeah, it is traveling slower in the gases medium. Yeah.
So air.
Yeah, or the gases, yeah. Right. Next one. 7th question, the last one, I guess. Yeah, this is the last question. The diagram below shows the part of a compound microscope. Name the parts shown by letter A, B, C. What is A?
Cos
Cos
adjustment now.
adjustment. Yeah.
Objective view.
What's it?
Objective lens.
Objective lens.
Objective lens.
C.
Mirror. Mirror.
Mirror. Write an instance of using this instrument.
To see the microorganisms.
To see the microorganisms.
Identifying DNA.
We can use, but light microscope, can we observe DNA using it?
No, sir, electron microscope is used for
Yeah.
that, no?
Using this instrument, so the DNA identification cannot be taken consider. Right. The magnification of the
Plant cell.
yeah, plant cell, animal cells, you know, sir. Okay. Right. So you can take 3 marks for this and 2 marks. The magnification of the eyepiece times 10 and the magnification of the lens objective is times 20. In the microscopic observation, what is the magnification of the microscope? Yeah,
200.
200, right? How do you find it?
20 multiplied by 100.
20 multiplied by 10, right?
Sorry, 10.
Eyepiece is 10, the objective is 20, then you can multiply those two. What's the maximum magnification of a compound microscope? How much is that? It is times 2000, right? 2000 times. Take 1 mark. Right. And what type of mirror
Electron
is
is 5,000, right?
what?
Electron 5,000.
Magnification?
Yes, sir.
No,
Infinity?
not infinity. Okay.
100,000.
Anyone also remember this point? What's the magnification of the electron microscope?
5 lakh. 5 lakh.
What put it?
500,000.
500,000. Yeah. That's the answer. Magnification of the electron microscopy 500,000 times. Okay. And this is the resolution, and it is 2 lakhs times than the healthy human eye. Right. So check these things.
Sir, can I take a screenshot of that?
Yeah. Did you take it?
No,
They all
sir.
are in your textbook, dear. You better go through the textbook and find these values. Okay.
Okay,
Right.
sir.
Let's see. When do you have the exam, Christina?
Sir, we've been having the exam from last week. Tomorrow is the science exam. Sorry, day after tomorrow is the science
Yeah.
exam.
Okay. Good. I think most of
So our exam is over.
over. Zulin, how was the paper?
Little bit easy.
Little bit easy. Okay. But we did several papers, aren't we?
Yes, I do that papers and go for the exam.
Okay.
But I didn't think that but the hard questions were there.
Okay, but we'll see when the your results come. We can see.
Our science cut easy questions and may wrote may very hard questions.
Okay. Don't worry about it. What type of mirror is shown by the diagram below?
Convex mirror.
Convex mirror.
Convex mirror. Okay. Write two features of the image obtained when the candle is placed at A. What are the
Virtual.
virtual?
Small.
Yeah, small, virtual,
Upright.
upright. Very good, right? You remember these things, huh? So, can you tell me one example where we can see this kind of mirrors in day-to-day life?
In railway, near
Where?
the railway tracks, near railway
Where?
tracks, near railway
Railways.
tracks,
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
the side mirrors,
Yeah, the vehicle side mirrors, very popular example. What else?
Side mirrors in vehicles.
Yeah, side mirror for vehicle, road bends, right? We can see this. And so two features are correct. And you remember that one, right? When you see your face through a side mirror, so what features you observe? So that is the answer for this. Okay. Will there be a change or not in the above features when the candle is placed in the places B and C?
No.
Why do you say so? Will there be a change or not in the above features when the candle is placed at the B? You say no. Others, what do you say? What do you say? Will the features of the image change or will it retain same? Please comment.
So it is written.
Yes, Tulen?
It is written.
Yeah, it will remain same, right? The reason, this is a convex one, right? Whatever the distance you place the object, it always forms same type of image. That's the reason. Write an instance of using the above mirror in day-to-day life. Okay, we answered it. Yes? Tell me, what's the instance where we use it? Tell me. Yes,
Use
side mirrors, road bends.
road bends.
Yeah, you can take it. Okay, so for this one, for the features. Okay, for the magnification also, I will give only 1 mark, right? Otherwise, I can't make your marks to a final. So 3, 1, 1, 1, that's 4, 5, sorry, 6 marks. And 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? So we answered all the questions, and you please comment your marks to the chat, send me a WhatsApp message. And then, did you see I uploaded all these recordings to the YouTube? Did you see my YouTube channel?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah.
I will subscribe it.
Okay, good. Thank you. And wait a minute, I'll show you. And the thing is, you can watch the previous paper discussion, right? Okay, you can watch it, and if you have not answered those papers, first you answer the paper, then you watch those paper discussions. Okay, this is my YouTube channel. Krishna is laughing. Why, Krishna? Krishna,
Sir,
you are
you make
smiling.
it very nice.
Ah, thank you.
Sir, how many subscribers?
I don't know. It's 554. It's recently I started this one because I couldn't upload these recordings before, so I thought to upload them. Now they are available on YouTube. You can visit anytime and then you can study them. See, is it good, Dulain?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So I shared a message, I guess, right? So you can watch these things and then you can what? Subscribe the channel.
Sir, I subscribe.
Okay, thank you for your subscription. Right,
Sir,
and
now
watch
I'm
the recordings,
subscribing
right?
it.
And other great recordings also available. And if you have friends, you can share these recordings with them. And first, you have to answer the paper, right? First, you answer them, not only you. I mean, others also when they are watching, better they answer the paper first, then they watch the recording and they can correct the answers. Okay, right. So that is the end of today class. See you next day. Goodbye, children.
Goodbye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Goodbye, sir. Thank you, sir. Goodbye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Sir, this is my puppy.
Is that so?
She's
What's his
7 years
name?
old.
Sorry?
She's 7 years old. No, she's mine.
How is that? Is that your sister?
Jenny's her one.
What's your name?
Kylie.
Kylie. Hi, Kylie.
She's 7 years old.
7 years old. Okay. I know. What is the type of this dog? No, there's a breed.
Chihuahua.
What?
Chihuahua.
Chihuahua. Yes, right. What's the name? Pet name?
Tiny.
Tiny.
Yes.
But they are biting, right? Somewhat I have seen in some videos they are sometimes they are behaving in some kind of aggressive manner.
They're only for strangers. This one is a
Strangers. No, not for you. It's cute though. Okay, okay. Okay, bye, Tiny and everyone. See you next day. Goodbye.
bye, sir.
Goodbye.
Bye, sir.